think I'll clean the desk after I film this. Yeah, this video is a bit of a weird one. In the January art vlog I posted, I said that I had a load of footage that I had from summer of when me and my partner Tom went to Cornwall, and I just wanted to do something with it, and I've basically just made this video for myself. It's not very art related. I haven't really decided how I'm gonna do this video, so you'll know more than I do right now. Yeah, I might put like a bit of sketchbook time in at the end. I might not. I guess if I don't, I'll cut this out as well, because that doesn't make sense. But we had a really nice time, and the view outside my window right now is a sort of grey overcast sky and a tree with no leaves on, and someone's bin's fallen over, so there's like rubbish all down the tree. But I don't know, the winter blues are setting in, and they've been setting for a while, but it was really nice to edit this and have a bit of sunshine, and yeah, it's just made me excited for the days to start getting longer again. So this one's for all my sad girlies. I hope you enjoy. But basically, I've just made this video for myself, and if you want to watch, you can watch. And also at the end of the footage, I found some clips of us opening. I think it was our first ever blind boxes, which is so fun. It was my first. It was a Sony Angel and a Smisky, and that footage is kind of cute. So I've put that in here as well. So it's camping, and then there's blind boxes, and then maybe I'll come back and we'll just do some sketching and talk about life. Does that sound fun? That sounds fun. I need my glasses, that's why I can't see anything. Okay, yeah. Let's go to the coast and pretend that it's June 2024. Okay. Enjoy. Might be quite Where'd he go? Wait, where is he? Where is he? Take him, where'd he go? It's a video. Yeah, I think the battery's low. What? Which one do you want to do? You can do both of them if you want. You want to do the yoga one? Wait, which one do you want? I want the one with his butt in the air.
How do you not know which one you got?
No, it's a blind box.
Oh, it's just gambling.
To be fair, this one I really don't care because they're all so cute.
I thought you got this.
No, it's you have to guess. They're all so cute. I don't even care.
Can you see them?
That's so good. We should do like ASMR. So nice.
Okay, never mind.
Fuck's sake.
How do people open boxes?
I don't know.
It's a skill.
Okay, change your mind. I will open this
Yeah, let me see you
one.
open.
Okay. Can you feel who he is?
You can read that.
Oh! Look at this one has a tiny one
Yeah, I
on
know,
his
that's
feet. Oh, they're all so cute.
4 years ago.
What's it doing?
Yeah.
Oh, he's holding his little feet. He's so fun.
I killed them already.
I love him. They glow in the dark. Did you know that? Should we get all of
I
them?
mean, yeah, it does.
Okay.
Oh, his head comes off.
His head comes off. Obviously, I want the cat or the goat. It's quite or the anteater. It's got ears. I didn't even see the cat. Oh my god, it's not. It's a hippo. Oh, that's really cute. The ears felt really big in the.
Does his head go off? Just censor it.
Oh. Cover his modesty. They're best friends. I'm so happy. And I got this Miffy. Smithy. Okay. We can match.
I want one of these.
You want, should we just buy more?
Yeah.
Do you want to buy more now? Aren't they so cute?
I should probably do some work.
Yeah, back to work. That was super fun. Hello. I have a new microphone. Does it sound nice? I don't know. I don't really know how like close to it I need to be, but yeah, I thought I'd do a little voiceover just to finish this video off. It's been a few days since I edited it, but it was really nice to edit, and I'm really glad that I've like finally done something with the footage. But yeah, the last week or so I've just been working on a cover spec for a children's book, which basically means that I've been asked to do a cover for a book, but I might not be commissioned for the whole thing. It's a picture book. So I've just been like putting all of my effort into that because I really want the project, so I've just been trying to make sure that it's perfect. Often with like children's books you'll be asked to do a sample. Oh, I'm on the phone to my brother in this clip, and he was telling me that he got a unconditional place at a university, so congratulations, Ted. Everyone's saying congratulations, Ted. But yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, basically just been working on this book cover, which I obviously can't say anything about or show you, but that's what I've been busy doing. Yeah, I feel like life is always just either, well, I find that my life is either like a million miles an hour or I've got nothing on. And it's never like a happy medium of being busy. But it's nice to have work, or the prospect of work anyway, so yeah, I'm excited and feel a bit more motivated now to do stuff. I think I showed my jumper that I was knitting in my last video, and like it's completely finished. I just need to bind off the last sleeve, and I haven't done it. And I've been so excited to finish this jumper since I started it, and I haven't finished it. And I don't know what I don't know. Should I read into that? It feels like a bit of a, I don't know, a metaphor, an analogy, I don't know, but yeah. Anyway, I'll leave you with me just doodling whatever I was doing. If anyone is interested, as always, I'm using a Piff Supply sketchbook. It's a using notebook. Love them, big fan. This is like my third one or something, fourth one. And a Lamy Safari with red ink in, and it's a medium-sized nib. I actually have a question for fountain pen people, specifically this red ink. When I first used it, I found it really pink, and then I picked the pen up after a while, and it was a really nice bright red, like I wanted it to be. And recently I picked it up again, and it's gone pink again. Like it's a bit. It was saturated for a bit, and now it's not. So if anyone knows why that is, please let me know. I feel like I don't know much about fountain pens. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed coming camping with us, and hope you enjoyed us opening our silly little blind boxes and living in July 2024 for a bit. Yeah, I will see you soon. Thank you.